हाय गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे एंशियंट हिस्ट्री के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले आती है प्री हिस्ट्री, फिर प्रोटो, फिर हिस्ट्री। प्री हिस्ट्री इज डिवाइडेड इन 3 parts: पैलियो, मीजो, नियो. Let's start with Paleo, whose time period is 2 million to 10,000. First comes lower lower Paleolithic period, then middle Paleo, then upper Paleo. In lower, which time period is 7 lakh to 50,000. Its main sites were Hungsi, Son, which is in Punjab, Belan Valley in UP, and Atarimakkam in Tamil Nadu. And Homo erectus signs were seen there, and people used to do hunting. Then comes the Middle Age, which is 50,000 to 40,000. Language was developed by then as per the evidence of seals, and flake or flint technology evolved in this time, and Netherland, it's also known as Neanderthal time period. Then comes Upper Paleolithic Age, in which Homo sapiens, like us human beings, were evolved by then. And major sites were Bhimbetka, Inamgaon, Nevada, Didwana. It was also last stage of Pleistocene. Then comes the Mesolithic or Meso or Microlith. Its time period is 10,000 to 8,000. The first use of bow and arrow was seen there. Also, first time domestication of animals signs were there. And major sites were Adamgarh and Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka had the earliest cave painting were also seen. Then comes the Neo. Its time period is 8 to 4,000. Food products and poetry were seen there. And 3 major sites were मेरगढ़, दजोली, बुरज़ोहम. बुरज़ोहम में पिट मिली थी, दजोली में शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन, एंड मेरगढ़ में सबसे पहले वीट और बार्ले के वीट एंड बार्ले के एविडेंस मिले थे. देन कम्स द प्रोटो हिस्ट्री और कॉपर पीरियड और चलकोलिथिक एज. इट्स टाइम पीरियड इज 4,000 to 1,500. On Berlier was seen there, and 3 major sites were Ahar Banas, Daimabad, Inamgao. Skull of Homo erectus in Hathnora, MP was found, and V.S. Varankar found oldest Bhimbetka cave painting in Bhimbetka caves, which is also a UNESCO heritage site. Then comes the history or Bronze Age, which time period is 2,500 to 1,700. Then comes the Indus Valley Civilization. Who is called the father of Indus Valley Civilization or father of Indian archaeology is John Marshall. Indus Valley Civilization is called Land of Seven Mounts. Citadel is the higher in the west and lower in the east. Essay. So there was no cow, no iron, no temple sign were clearly seen there. Bostrophedan लैंग्वेज और वे ऑफ राइटिंग था, उधर राइट से लेफ्ट लिखते हैं जैसे उर्दू में लिखते हैं. और बोस्ट्रोफेडन मतलब यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, फिर ऐसे लिखा, फिर ऐसे, फिर ऐसे, फिर ऐसे, फिर ऐसे, ऐसे सांप सा. बट दे वुड यूजुअली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, और दे वुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइटिंग फ्रॉम right side. Brunt bricks were found by Ernest Mackay in 1948. Their houses were made of brunt bricks. Also, their northern, southern, west, easternmost sites are Manda in Jammu Kashmir, Daimabad in somewhere in Maharashtra, I guess, and Adamgirpur in UP, and Sukta Gindor in Pakistan. Let's learn about its major IVC Indus Valley Civilization sites. First one is Hadappa, which is located along the river Ravi. It was founded by Dr. Sani in 1921. Its major attractions were six granaries, Lingam, and Yoni. Then comes Mohenjo-daro. It is situated on the bank of Indus River, founded by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. It is largest Indus Valley civilization overall. It has great bath of made of natural tar. It has fortified town, Mother Goddess statue, dancing girl, पशुपति सील. चानू दारो इंडस के लेफ्ट में है ये. NG मुजम्मदार in 1931 founded. Without it is only city without citadel. Lipstick evidence were founded. Then the Lodhal sites, and it is located on the bank of Bagova River. Lodhal was founded by S.R. Rao in 1953. It is also called Mini Hadappa. It has evidence of dockyard, double burial of male and female all together. Then Dholavira, it is located along river Luni, founded by R.S. Best in 1990. It has three ports, reservoir, stadium, megalithic stone circle, and largest seal was found there. Sukta Gindor along Bagova River, again founded by S. Joshi in 1964. Horse bones were found, oval grave was found there. Then comes Kalibanga, Gagar Ravi के along. यहाँ पे प्लो फील्ड मिले, बेंगल्स मिले, कैमल बोन्स मिली, फायर अल्टर्स मिले. Then come मेहरगढ़. Cotton evidence first in the world were found there, and also wheat and barley के भी evidence मिले थे यहाँ पे नियोलिथिक साइट में. ठीक है. Also they were called मेहरगढ़ were called Sindon by Greeks. Rakhigadi is the largest Indus Valley civilization within Indian territory. Okay, it is located in Hisar, Haryana. So is Banavali in Haryana. It is located along Saraswati River, and toy plow was first found there. So प्रोटोशिवा एक स्टेचू सा मिलता है. उसमें एक राइनोसोर्स होता है, एलिफेंट होता है, और दो डियर होती है. एक बुल होता है और एक टाइगर होता है. सील्स मिलती हैं जो सूसा और नाम होता है. प्रोटो द्राविड स्क्रिप्ट मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट होती है, और स्टेटाइट की बनी होती है, क्ले की होती है. देन अफगान साइट्स जो पूछी जाती है विच आर शतुगाई एंड मुंडीगक. ऑल्सो पोर्ट्स आर अलादीना, बालाकोट, कुंतासी, लोथल, सुक्ता गेंडोर.